Is there a different
You do
ways
this.
here?
You do this on your handles.
What sort of water do you think?
Once you get like halfway, we could like carry the pipe.
Try to move.
Going around.
A whole bunch of pipe. Hands on John's pipe.
See enough.
Huh? Look at that bandage. I have to bandage the whole thing? Look at that. Hello.
Why are you wrapping it? Cause he. Okay. No, but is there like, is there a reason like
it's
it's
to help the heat soak
okay,
on my car.
okay. Cause I've like never really, obviously I heat wrap, like it's, but I don't know what like exactly like.
Like, what's the benefit?
But yeah, what's
It
the
just helps
benefit?
with the heat soak.
Okay. Thanks, John, for explaining it to me the first time. Like,
A little peacock. You know what?
you know, there's a better way to like get it to dry quicker.
You know how to do it?
Put it on the car, Johnny. Rightfully where it belongs, John. Hey, where do you? There's a nice radiator.
No, we
Have you heard people call it that? People call it radiator or
a center.
yeah, radiator. The one that wanted to be a cop. He wanted to be a buster. He's a cop. Oh, what's up, John?
Use the cutters I had.
What cutters?
I have to do it by hand, but little blade, little saw.
We don't carry any tools here. We make our own.
Stop that.
Use the grinder. Use the grinder at this point.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Get the cutters and cut into it. Boom.
Should I grab the other side and then we can do it like?
Get the cutters and
I don't think this is working either.
no, cut into it from the front.
Like this way?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Dad. Damn.
Weren't you listening? He's gonna hit you.
I don't put too much and then just.
It's gonna be like zigzag.
It's getting shorter and shorter.
What? What did you say? Oh my God. The nipples of steel. You cut it too short.
For real.
It's like you're going to use. Well, at least you got the other hose. If it's too hard, take it out. Get
Spit on it.
No, get the coolant. No, put your finger in the coolant and then just wipe it in the inside and then put it in.
Dip the whole thing in there.
That's the boring method, dude. Spit on it. Good old. If there's any really like people that started following us from the start, this light right here has been through a lot. What happened? Oh, go.
Oh, your turn.
Okay, I got this. I hit Mikey's car. Too much. Oh. This is Johnny's downpipe. Not exactly sure what the heat wrap is for, the essential purpose that it does, but it looks pretty cool. I like it. So mistakes were made. I guess on this car you're not supposed to the usual way that you gotta do it is, I mean, most of the cars,
Either there or-
the radiator cap isn't right over here. It's over here by the reservoir. But on this car, you gotta fill it up to right here, and they
burp it.
yeah, and then they did it. They filled this thing up. It's not going on. So what are you guys gonna do? Oh, directions are right there.
Oh, my light dying.
Hey, okay, cameraman's here, so we got cameraman. Yeah, I want to see the car. I want to see the inside of the car.
Yeah, she's in the backseat.
Damn, this thing. Oh, oh, what's up? You're back there. I didn't see you there. Let's see a little airlift, air action. Woo! Looks like it's changing, cause look, it looks like it has streaks from rain. Unless that's just
I
a.
think that's what it is. What wheels are those? They're HREs, huh?
Hopefully,
HREs. That's some baller wheels.
dang. Hey, this thing is pretty dope.
Hey, for this guy to do this, that's pretty badass.
Hey, like this. That's pretty dope.
Hey, those are real wheels. Those are small lip. HREs. Right? I think they are HREs.
Lexan? I don't know.
They look like HREs.
It looks pretty dope though.
Not the biggest fan of the wheel. Do you do that? Do you put your hat or something?
That's it for today's vlog.
Oh shit, my bad. Sorry.
I don't want you guys to subscribe to It's Benny because it's a piece of shit. I'm joking. Just kidding.
You just demonetized him right there, dude. Why are you doing that?
It's okay, you can censor.
You're like,
He was recording this shit.
I was like this,
This is the guy
Ah.
who wants you to follow.
Hey man.
The guy who records
You want to
his
reveal?
Follow my channel. It's Big Oreo.
That's Jose.
Stock car. Yeah. We have the best content right here, huh, Jordan? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Subaru.
Are you talking over there?
I'm yelling.
Alright, guys.
gotta like.
I'll catch you next one. Peace out. Keep moving forward.
Do the intro of TJ Hunt.
We already done it before.
You done it before?
Yeah.